Hey, what's happening, guys? This is Busa with your weekly update on cryptocurrencies. So let's have a quick look what's been happening on the crypto world this past week. Bitcoin is still obviously dominating. So we're looking at about 45.3% of dominance in terms of Bitcoin. Market cap is steadily also rising. We're now sitting at about $155 billion of the entire market cap, and trading volume about $5.1 billion in the past 24 hours. So let's have a look at some coins that gave us some good moves in the past week. So Bitcoin is steadily at 4.2, 4.3, playing around $4.2, $4.3, which is very steady. Ethereum is one of the biggest moves, one of the coins that really moved this past week. So, and it is connected to the major news that is about to be released for Ethereum. So we were expecting news to be released of a fork, of a hard fork happening on Ethereum sometime in September. And but recently there was another release by the Ethereum team to say that actually the fork now is going to be split into two. So it's named Byzantium, hope I'm pronouncing it right, and Constantinople. Wow. Some words. Anyway, I'm African. I don't know how to pronounce these big words. So anyway, here we go. So Ethereum, because of that, there's some anticipation, probably by the end of September towards October, that we might be seeing that there might be a fork or two forks that will be happening in terms of Ethereum. And a lot of anticipation, and a lot of people have been waiting for it. One of the things that people have been waiting to find out is Ethereum gonna move from proof of work to proof of stake, meaning that it is no longer gonna be mineable, or it's going to be virtually difficult to mine Ethereum, and going into the a model of proof of stake whereby people are rewarded for keeping Ethereum as a coin. So those are one of the things that are controversial, but in any case, I'll do another video explaining exactly what the fork is going to be entailing or what it means. So we'll look into that. But I'm happy with Ethereum this week. So we're sitting at about $341. With an increase of about 8.2%. Actually, this has been recalculated, or the reset, because of the days. Yesterday, it was recording about 40% increase on the Ethereum market, which is very good. So Bitcoin Cash, we are on the downside this week. So we are minus 12%. If you remember, Bitcoin Cash, it reached a high of about $900. So it has retraced a little bit from that time that it was on $900. So Ripple has been good also. Ripple was one of the biggest movers, and this too is connected to the news. As Ripple was announced that it was now entering the Chinese market, or the Eastern market. So when such things happen, you will see price pump up or spike up, or a lot of people buy that particular coin. So we were sitting at about 15 cents last week, and we went up to about 28 cents just last week, and then we started retracing back again. So Ripple it's one of those coins that I'm a believer in it. I'm holding it, and long term, obviously. So let's have a look here. Let's have a look. Yeah. So on the 24th of August, we actually went as high as 26 cents. And then we just again retracing a little bit there with Ripple. So that is Ripple. Ethereum coins to watch out for. Major news that are happening, and we know that news, they tend to influence these coins, and they spike. So let's have a look at one of the biggest moves also is LiteCoin. LiteCoin has jumped from about $41 to about $61, which is a good move on LiteCoin there. So 32% movement in LiteCoin, and one of the biggest moves again is Monero. So Monero moved about 140% actually, so about 140%. So Monero really moved up. So let's quickly have a look at what's happening with Monero, because we are now definitely in an all-time high on Monero. So as you can see, Monero on the 15th of August was only $49. 15th of August was only $49. That is like just 2 weeks ago. And as you can see, it has really spiked up, really spiked up, almost tripled in value. So right now we're sitting at about $139 on Monero. Monero is one of those good coins, but it has really spiked up. I might probably wait for a retrace or a correction before I buy into Monero. I don't like buying when price is all the way up. So it's one of the ways that I get involved with cryptocurrencies. I don't buy when price is all the way up, but we wait for a little retrace or a correction in price. So one of the big movers again is Lisk. So Lisk has given us over 100% increase in the last 7 days. So these are one of the big moves that we are seeing in the market. And I know also Verge, if I can find it, Verge also gave us a big move. Verge is really going high. One of the coins that I'm also invested in, and it's really now sitting at about 73% increase in the last 7 days. So Verge is one of the good coins also that is coming up quite nicely. So in any case, so that is the update that I have for you this week, guys. So I'll do a video about Ethereum, what's happening with Ethereum, how is it going to affect the price of Ethereum, and so probably sometime this week I'll do a video on Ethereum, just so that you know that there's major news that are coming for September. September looks like it's going to be a good month for altcoins. So we'll get into some technicals later on other videos. We'll just study some technicals, but I'm happy with Ethereum. I'm happy with Ripple. I'm happy with Monero, though I do not buy Monero. So I'll wait for correction on Monero, and when we hit that correction, I'll buy some more. I'm definitely happy with Verge because I really bought Verge when it was really cheap, and I think that the price is still really cheap. I mean 0.0037, so it's still really cheap. So there we go, guys. This is Busa. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel for more videos like these, and let me know what you think about the crypto world or the coins that you're invested in. I'd like to know which coins that you are invested in and which coins I should look into details. So send me a comment on the comment section, and like the video, dislike the video. Any action is good, any reaction is good. So this is Busa. Until next time, peace out.